Today we're reviewing 10 affordable classic vehicles currently listed across different parts of the United States. These are not restored collector cars. They are honest projects, some running, some partially complete, all offered in realistic condition. We'll go through them one by one in a calm, straightforward way. Let's begin. Car 1. 1963 Ford Falcon Coupe, $2,200, Virginia. This 1963 Ford Falcon is part of a two-car package. The yellow six-cylinder automatic does start and drive, which is a strong point at this price level. It needs the fuel tank cleaned and the brake master cylinder installed, though a new master cylinder is already included. The car also comes with new tires, brake lines, and wheel cylinders, suggesting recent investment in safety components. Additionally, a 260 V8 and 4-speed manual transmission are included in the deal. It's a project that has momentum but still requires finishing work. Car 2. 1978 Ford Econoline van, $2,500, Mississippi. This conversion van shows 49,500 miles and is powered by a 351 Windsor engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission and a 9-inch rear axle. Those are durable, proven components. The interior is described as clean and rust is reportedly not a major issue, though minor body damage is present. One important detail: there is no title, only a bill of sale. Mechanically solid on paper, but paperwork should be carefully considered before purchase. Car 3. 1965 Dodge Dart 270, $3,000, Kentucky. With 150,000 miles showing, this Dart is equipped with a 273 V8 and automatic transmission. The seller confirms it runs and drives, but clearly states it is a project car. It will need to be trailered, meaning it's not currently ready for reliable road use. Overall, it appears complete and usable as a foundation. Expect cosmetic work and mechanical attention moving forward. Car 4. 1976 Chevrolet C10 long bed, $1,200, North Carolina. This truck is described honestly as rusty and rough. It has no engine and the floors and cab supports require replacement. However, the frame and bed are said to be solid. Included are a turbo 350 transmission, LS swap mounts, stainless headers, and a new fuel tank setup. It also sits on large aftermarket wheels with new tires. This is clearly a project shell with some valuable parts included, but it will require significant work. Car 5. 1963 Dodge 330, $1,200, Georgia. This Dodge 330 comes with a 318 poly engine and push-button torque-flight transmission. The engine turns by hand, but one valve is stuck, so it has not been started. The body shows rust, including holes in the floor, and there is visible damage to the front grille and driver's side fender. The interior is reportedly in better condition than expected for its age. It has a title, though it has not yet been transferred into the seller's name. Car 6. 1978 Ford Mustang II Cobra, $3,000, Virginia. This Mustang II Cobra shows just under 42,000 miles and retains much of its originality. It is powered by a 302 V8 with automatic transmission. The T-tops function properly and it still has its original spare tire and jack. Aside from aftermarket wheels, it remains largely untouched. It will need cosmetic attention and general refreshing, but it appears to be a solid restorable example from the late 1970s. Car 7. 1956 Ford Club Wagon, $2,900, Missouri. This four-door wagon features a 312 V8 with automatic transmission. The engine is complete but currently not running. The windscreen is in good condition while one side window is broken. Rust is present and the floors will require patching. It rolls easily for loading and includes a title. A large classic wagon with presence, but restoration will not be simple. Car 8, 1952 Chevrolet Fleetline Fastback, $2,800, North Carolina. Powered by a 235 inline-6 and a 3-speed column manual, this Fleetline does run and drive. However, it needs brake work and should be transported by trailer. Rust is present in the floorboards and lower door areas. New tires have been installed, which is a positive sign. The Fastback body style remains appealing, but it is still clearly a project car. Car 9, 1979 Ford F-150 Long Bed, $2,000, Indiana. Showing 80,000 miles, this truck is equipped with a 351M engine and automatic transmission. It reportedly ran and drove last summer but has been sitting since then. All glass is intact and includes a camper shell. As with most vehicles that have been sitting, fuel system service and a battery replacement may be required. A straightforward, usable truck platform with typical age-related needs. Car 10, 1979 Ford F-150 Long Bed, $2,000, Indiana. This is another 1979 F-150 with similar mileage and configuration. It has not moved since it was parked last season. Condition details are similar, complete, intact glass, and positioned as a driving project. Late 70s Ford trucks are simple and durable, but inspection will determine whether it's a light refresher or a deeper mechanical project.
Car 11, 1979 Ford F-150, $2,500, Maryland. This 1979 F-150 shows 125,000 miles and is said to have had approximately $3,000 invested into the engine by the previous owner. The truck has been sitting for about 6 months and the battery is currently dead, so it cannot be started for demonstration. Prior to sitting, it was reportedly driven daily. It comes with a clean title. If the mechanical work was done properly, it may not take much to return it to regular use, but sitting vehicles always require careful inspection. Car 12, 1978 Ford Ranchero, $600, West Virginia. Believed to be a late 1970s Ranchero, this vehicle is described as complete and equipped with a 302 engine. The seller does not know whether it runs, and there is no title included. It is positioned more as a parts car or restoration candidate rather than a ready-to-drive vehicle. At $600, the value is primarily in the completeness and usable components. Car 13, 1976 Chevrolet LUV, $550, Tennessee. This 1976 Chevrolet LUV has a 1.8-liter engine with manual transmission. The engine is currently locked up from sitting, though the transmission is reported to be in good condition. The body is described as fair for its age, and the seller suggests it can make a good hot rod or small project truck. A title is expected soon. It is clearly a non-running project that will require engine work or replacement. Car 14, 1974 Ford F-250 4x4, $800, West Virginia. This F-250 is a four-wheel drive, 4-speed truck equipped with a divorced NP205 transfer case and what appears to be an FE series engine.
It has been sitting for a long time. The engine is tight but does turn slightly, suggesting it may not be completely seized. It also includes a Holmes 480 double PTO winch bed, originally used as a tow truck. There is no title. This is a heavy-duty project truck with uncertain mechanical condition. Car 15. 1978 Buick Regal Limited Coupe, $500, Georgia. This Regal Limited comes with a title and is described as having all missing parts included inside the vehicle. The engine runs but requires additional attention to be fully operational. Details are limited, but it appears mostly complete. At $500, this is positioned as a budget restoration or parts-based project rather than a finished driver. Car 16. 1963 Dart Aero Sedan, $850, North Carolina. This four-door Dart is powered by a Slan 6 engine, which is described as good. It has automatic transmission. The floors are rusty, though new carpet has been installed. There is no title included with the sale. It may run depending on condition, but structural rust and missing paperwork will be the primary concerns. Car 17. 1964 Ford F1, $1,500, Georgia. This classic pickup features a straight 6 engine with manual transmission. It reportedly ran when parked and is said not to require much to get running again. It includes extra doors and is offered at $1,500 or trade. As with many ran when parked vehicles, actual condition will depend on how long it has been sitting and how it was stored. Car 18. 1968 Jeep CJ5, $1,600, New York. This CJ5 has been used as a plow Jeep for 25 years. It features a V6 engine and manual transmission. The body is described as being in poor condition, but the frame and motor are said to be good. The seller can provide video of it running. It includes registration and good snow tires. Structurally usable, cosmetically rough. Car 19. 1969 Ford Bronco 2-door, $3,000, Virginia. This early Bronco is clearly labeled as a full restoration project. It has significant rust in both body and frame. It is equipped with a V8 engine and 3-speed manual transmission, and comes with a clear title. Given current Bronco market values, even rough examples attract attention, but this one will require extensive work. Car 20. 1976 Mercedes-Benz 240D, $500, South Carolina. This 240D was originally intended for a resto mod project but is now being sold unfinished. It currently has no engine installed. The transmission and various interior components are included in the trunk, and it comes with a clean title. At $500, it represents a rolling chassis platform rather than a functional vehicle. From drivable cars to restored but non-running chassis, each one reflects its true condition and realistic pricing. See you in the next video.